Hi folks, it's Crazy Cam. It's tax season. I've got a deal for you.
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible, tell the essence. I can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
What's up, fam? It's Cam, and welcome back to CFR. I just did that crazy little bit because it actually reminded me of a guy that I used to work for down in Lumberton at a Kia dealership. Yes, I sadly have to admit that I did sell cars for around 4 years, but turns out that I was a little too honest for the car business. I actually got fired for being too honest. They had an ad that said $99 down, $99 a month, no job needed. I mean, come on, really? Is that like, where is that even real?
You think I'm playing?
So I had people calling. I mean, the phone was blowing up all day. I don't have to have a job. I just need $99 every month. And like, yeah, I would not play that. We'd have meetings every morning and they would be, telling us how to manipulate them to get them to come in. And homie didn't play that.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
But I did work for one car dealership that was legit, and they were great people to work for. But yeah, for the most part, it's not good. But what is good is tax season here in the United States. Some of you will be buying cars, some of you will be buying fragrances, some of you will be buying car brand fragrances. So with tax season, it's like some people have to pay out money, some people get money back, some people get a lot of money back. I don't get that much back. I do get a little bit back. So I'm trying to take this as an approach, whether you're getting a lot back or not. The fragrances that I'm gonna share are of very good quality and are extremely inexpensive. I would much rather you be putting your money towards a savings account, the stock market. Like some people get really big refunds and they blow every bit of it. And I'm sure some of you have blown every bit of it on fragrances or whatever. I'm not trying to be your dad. I'm just trying to help you look out for your future. That's why I've got some good, cheap fragrances. And that's what I've got for you today. I've got 3 fragrances, one from Bentley, one from Mercedes, and one from Ferrari that I think will work fantastic for spring. And to sweeten the deal, these fragrances are perfect for spring and summer. First one up is the 2016 release from Ferrari. It is
Radiant
Bergamot. This fragrance is very clean, it's very bright, it has a soapy vibe to it. The bergamot in here is really nice. It does smell of very high quality. You can pick these up easily for 25 bucks. On the opening, you're gonna get a bright burst of citrus, bergamot, and lemon. There are also some spicy undertones with some rosemary and a pop of ginger. Then you're also gonna get like a slight sweetness from nutmeg and labdanum. It's not gonna be like overly cloyingly sweet whatsoever. It just adds a little bit of balance to the fragrance. As I said, for 25 bucks, it smells of high quality. This is a really nice fragrance. Easily can be pulled off in just about any type of situation. Can be worn in a high heat. It can be worn in the evening. This one's bright, soapy, clean, spicy, green. It's all the makings of a really good fragrance for spring and summer. Extremely versatile, and for 25 bucks, I mean, that is mind-blowing for a 100 ml bottle for 25 bucks from, come on, one of the most iconic car brands ever. I mean, duh. I recently did a review on the Gentleman Givenchy cologne, and one of the issues with that fragrance is the performance and the price. This, however, for the price, actually matches the performance. I get between 5.5, maybe 6 hours of performance with moderate projection. But with this type of quality and being able to reapply with a 100 ml bottle for 25 bucks, it's kind of a no-brainer. Next one up is from the brand Bentley. It is the 2015 Bentley for Men Azure. This one has a aquatic feel to it. It's very clean. This one actually reminds me of like riding in a convertible with the top down, wind blowing through your hair, heading down to the beach. This one is super versatile and could easily be pulled off in like high heat. No problem. It doesn't have like massive projection. It doesn't have like a huge scent bubble. It just smells really good. It's inviting. I actually like spraying this one, you know, just in the air just to smell it. It's just got a really, I mean, I won't say like it's, well, boo, is so unique or anything, but it just has, there's something about it that I like. It's just really easy to wear. In the opening, you get some real nice tangerine and pineapple. Those fruity and citrusy nuances do subside slightly. It does come to be more of like, you know, like ozonic or aquatic notes, but you also get some bergamot, lavender, tea, violet, tonka, and cashmere wood. Not an overly complicated fragrance, but in, you know, from spring to summer, if you want something that's super easy to wear for 25 bucks, you can grab this at fragrance.net. I think it's like $24.99. Super easy to wear fragrance for spring and summer. Last fragrance I have for you is called Addictive Oriental. It is from the VIP line of Mercedes-Benz, and this one was actually perfumed by the famous master perfumer Alberto Morillas. In case you guys may not know who he is the one who perfumed the original Acqua di Gio, as well as many other fragrances, including Office for Men from Jeremy Fragrance. Now, if you look, you will find this one does run a little bit more than the last two. You may see it go as high as $90 to $100. I actually just checked to make sure, because I actually got this for like 40 bucks. Fragrance.net has this for $39.99. You can see it for 60. You know, the price range does vary a little bit, so just keep your eyes open. This one is actually a tester. Let's see, yeah, you can probably see that right there. So, hey, it don't have a cap, didn't come with a box, but hey, if you're saving 20 or 40 bucks without a cap, without a box, I'm in on that. This one is actually worth the price tag. This, you know, a little higher than the last two. You definitely get that sort of, you know, I won't say niche quality, but maybe upper echelon. You can tell that there's quality ingredients in here. Some of the notes include lemon, mint, lavender, clary sage, fig leaf, cashmere wood, sandalwood, and tonka bean. It has a bright opening. It has some depth. There is something alluring about this, especially if you like Oriental fragrances. You'll love this. It works really good. It's very sophisticated and sexy, but still safe enough to wear in the office. This one is actually a little bit more mature than the last two that I shared with you. So, I mean, as far as, you know, who could wear it? Anybody could wear it. You know, just wear what you want when you want. Have fun. But this one actually does have some swagger. It actually smells like a fragrance that they would give you when you buy a Mercedes. And with Mercedes being an upper echelon, you know, luxury brand, this definitely, you know, smells like something that you would spray in your Mercedes or spray on your suit while you're driving in your Mercedes. So it's no deep dark secret that Mercedes, Ferrari, and Bentley are all like as high as it gets, pretty much, other than like a Rolls Royce or a Aston Martin or something like that. But they do have very good fragrances. They do have different lines. Some of the lines are better than others. I have smelled some of the cheaper Ferrari fragrances. They actually smell cheap. Some of the ones from this line also include Noble Fig and Bright Neroli. If you know anything about this line, quality cap, quality bottle, same as the Bentley. Not quite as nice of a cap, but still nice presentation. And then, of course, you've got your Mercedes with your Mercedes emblem. They do offer a quality line, less expensive, and really, honestly, save that tax money. You could buy all three of these and still be coming out like a champ. Until next time, save your tax money.
Got him!
Be disruptive. Wear what you want, when you want. Have fun. Make sure that you're subscribed to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. Activate that notifications bell. Smash that like button. Leave some comments down below. We'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.